Kubor nakaslem jong Nongshong Hima.
Emily ka North Shlong uba Adelbert Nongrum lapan pa ko jing sngosi ban yu I ba we ubrio la Kynthoh ya ru kom le niam jong ki pa riu nget Catholic uni ubrio yo bala tip kerteng US Singhania ula tho ha ka we ko kot khubor Highland Post halor ka jing thot ka jong ya ka procession bala panong di ki riu nget ka balang Catholic man ha ka sngiu blay bala dep kata ka khat riu tring unai wing arajar ar pulai halor ka ni ka benta nakaliang ba Adelbert ulaban paru ka jing bitar hak ba ula bu jing kili yo Singhania da ka baong ba udey la udey Trai Shnong ni Tang Nongshong wai hapo ka jala uba Adelbert loong bakum unong mi kmat jong ka constituency ka bayadan shibun ki jat ben rio usngong tanat banan ka jing shong suk am bandan kanu ka jing appear jat ben rio kum tau ba Adelbert ula dawayo tau Singhania ba udey ban mi shakmat ban kren ha kilat pathai halor ka jing Kynthoh ka jong baka dan ka jing li siliang ha kapor balong kiwi ki tamasa kum ka puja namar ka ni de ka mat ka bakong san mat ka bakta laong uba Adelbert kum ta uba Adelbert la Kynthoh yu Singhania ba udey ban wan man pensyai halor ka te ka Kynthoh ka jong
At the outset, myself as one of the responsible public representative who represents the constituency of mixed population to the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, and myself as a person, I love peace and hate discrimination and communal, for which I stand here intentionally to encounter the statement published in the news of the Highland Post yesterday the 13th, the letter to the editor written by the so-called Singhania. I do really wanted to dwell on detail, but I will not go in detail. I will go specific according to his statement where he made. I will read: the double standard in response to inconveniences during other cultural events such as pujas, may I repeat, such as pujas, raise question about fairness and consistency in governance. Who are you, Mr. Singhania? Are you a bona fide resident of a state, or are you just a tenant in a state? I am very hurt as myself. I am proud as a Catholic congregation, and I am also part of the procession. I therefore challenge you, kindly come in front of the media and show yourself, speak the truth, and come out, explain what do you mean by mentioning or comparing the procession held by Catholic congregation. As well, in your statement, mention other cultural events such as pujas. I am serious with this issue, with your statement, and I do request, come out, be a courageous person and speak the truth. I only warn you and challenging you to come out and explain what do you mean by your statement. Thank you.